Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making an Italian meatball soup. Let's make our meatballs. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to add a pound of ground beef and a pound of pork. Next we're going to add in our breadcrumbs. I believe I use panko crumbs. Next we're going to season up our meat. I use smoked paprika. I add about a teaspoon. Now we're going to add some chili powder, about the same. Here we're adding in some black pepper, about a half a teaspoon. Next we're going to add in some salt. We're going to add a couple of pinches. And then we're going to add in our beaten eggs. I believe I use about 2. Next, I'm going to add in some minced garlic. Next, I added in some onion, chopped real small. I like my onion really small. And that was about a half of a medium onion. I added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And here I'm just going to mix it up really well with my hands, get everything nice and incorporated into our meat. You don't have to make your own meatballs. You can always use frozen. Whatever is more easier for you. Now to make sure that I get all my meatballs about the same size, I use 2 tablespoon measurement for my meatballs, and I'm just going to roll them up like this, and you can't go wrong. All your meatballs are going to be the same size. You don't have to guess on how much you should use. And we're just going to finish this up. And next I'm going to add my meatballs to a tray. Here are all my meatballs. I got about 24 meatballs out of that. And don't forget your Italian seasoning, please, to add to your meatballs. Now we're gonna go ahead and pan sear our meatballs. I added about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil and some butter. And this is what I'm gonna fry. Well, sear my meatballs. Here are my meatballs. They are nice and seared on both sides. We're going to take them out and we're going to set them aside so we could go ahead and make our soup. I use about a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to add my diced onions, and I'm going to add my minced garlic, and we're going to go ahead and saute this until this is fragrant. We're going to add our green peppers. I also use some red and some orange just to give it a little color. And I'm going ahead and sear all of this, my onions, garlic, and my peppers until they're a little bit soft, not too soft. Now I'm adding in about 4 cups of water. This is going to be my beef broth because I'm going to add in some beef bouillon. I did 2 cups of water at a time. So we're going to I'm going to mix this all up, make sure everything is incorporated, and I'm going to bring it to a slightly simmer. And then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. Here's the beef bouillon that I'm adding. I'm adding some salt, some red pepper flakes, and some Italian seasoning. We're going to mix all that together, and here we're going to add some black pepper, and like I said, we're going to let this come up to a slightly simmer, and then I'm going to add the other 2 cups of my water. Now I did taste it a little bit. I did add a little bit more seasonings. Now I'm adding back in the meatballs. I mixed it in, mixed it up to make sure everything is incorporated, and now I'm going to add a can of diced tomatoes. You could use fresh tomatoes if you have, like if you have some tomatoes in the refrigerator that you just want to get rid of, you can cut those up and add those in there also. You do not have to use canned tomatoes. After that, I'm going to bring it to a simmer. We're going to mix everything in. I did add a little bit of tomato paste cheese. And then we just gonna let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes before we add our pasta. Now that this has been simmering, I'm showing you the meatballs and how it looks. And then this is the pasta that I chose to use. And we're just gonna put that in and we're just going to let that simmer for another 5 minutes until your pasta is done. And here's our beautiful Italian meatball soup. This was so delicious. You cannot go wrong with this recipe. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And today we made an Italian meatball soup. I'll thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.